Thousands of Australians now have access to a life-saving treatment for blood cancer that was previously out of reach for most. A 12-month course of the tablets costs around $140,000, but the federal government has stepped in, slashing the price tag to as little as $41 a month.
Hey, Con.
How are you?
Good, mate. Good to see you.
You wouldn't guess from Michael's upbeat nature that he's actually in the fight of his life.
Easter time last year, and we were about to have a picnic with friends, and I got a call from my GP.
The 42-year-old had been feeling tired and run down, so he had some routine blood tests. It turned out to be chronic lymphocytic leukaemia.
Michael is somewhat unusual in that he's a quite young man to get this type of cancer. Typically affects patients over the age of 70.
The typical treatment is a gruesome roller coaster.
6 months of chemotherapy and then 4 years of remission, and then another 6 months of chemotherapy perhaps, or other medication.
Professor Tam enlisted him in a clinical trial with phenomenal results.
After only 2 months of treatment, he's had a 80% reduction in his cancer.
The drug is called Calquence. Unlike most chemotherapy, it specifically targets leukaemia without killing healthy cells.
Not only does it save their life, it also provides them with a very good quality of life with few side effects.
The federal government has just listed it on the PBS. Prior to today, if a patient wasn't in a trial, it cost them $140,000 per treatment.
And it will give them hope of treatment, hope of survival, hope of a better future.
Michael isn't out of the woods yet, but when he is, he's looking forward to the mundane life, like planning a wedding with fiancée Michelle.
We need me to be well.
Yeah.
And we need the world to be well.
Things have sort of gotten in the way.
Natasha Rex will be for 10 News First.